Supplier documents arrive fragmented and inconsistent. Manual collation and data entry delay receipts, elevate risk, and jeopardize production schedules. AuGENT ingests supplier documents from every channel and assembles them into a single, traceable case for each lot. AuGENT classifies COAs, compliance declarations, PPAP artifacts, and test reports. No templates required. AuGENT extracts lot-level test results, composition, and compliance attributes, turning PDFs into ERP-ready data. AuGENT validates every extracted field against specs, masters, and compliance rules before materials hit the floor. AuGENT equips reviewers with full context to resolve exceptions quickly and learns from every decision. AuGENT produces ERP-ready, audit-proof outputs. No manual mapping or post-processing required. Integration agents deliver structured data and documents directly into ERP, MES, and QMS, securely and reliably. Approvals cascade downstream automatically, from goods receipt to kitting and schedule updates. Leaders monitor acceptance, cycle time, and exception trends, pinpointing suppliers or specs needing action. AuGENT delivers audit-ready governance, with immutable trails, granular access, and secure retention. AuGENT transformed supplier documentation into a straight-through pipeline, accelerating incoming QA, safeguarding compliance, and keeping production on time.